Hey kindergarten, Mr. Reed here again. This week today, we're going to be representing numbers 0 to 10. We're in Module 5, Lesson 2 of Orgo, and on pages 73 and 75. Pause this video, kindergartners, and get out your pencils, your crayons, your Orgo workbook, and always your math notebook, so we can take some notes. Unpause the video when you have all your materials ready. Today in class, like I said, we will represent quantities and numbers 0 to 10. We'll work with words, pictures, and symbols. As always, I have 3 tasks I want you to do. Number 1, think about what that word represents and what it means to you. Number 2, discuss or tell someone at home what it means to you. And then 3, come back to your workbook, your notebook, and either draw a picture of what that word represent means, or write a few words if you can about what you and someone else talked about at home. Unpause the video when you're ready, and we'll keep on going. Our vocabulary for today are going to be represent, digit, fewer, more, quantities and amounts, compare, place value, greater than, less than, and equal. Pause this video to match the red vocabulary words to the blue definition pictures. Unpause it when you're ready to go ahead and see if you got the answers correct. So, represent means to show with words and pictures. Digit means a number. Fewer means less. More can mean bigger. Quantities and amount always mean a number for us in kindergarten. Compare means to talk about the differences. We have our picture for place value. Greater than symbol. Less than symbol. And our equal to symbol. So today we're going to represent those numbers 0 to 10 with words, pictures, and symbols, okay? Now let's go ahead and do some things together, okay? I want to make sure we understand. We have our columns here, numbers, the numerals. We have our words and pictures of them. Let's just go ahead and review together and make sure we can count and get everything correct, okay? So 0, the word 0, and a picture of 0 represents, well, it really is nothing, right? Then we have 1. We have the number 1, we have the number 2, the word 2 in green, and then 1, 2. We have the numeral 3, the word 3, and then 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the rest of them really quickly, just counting. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In green, we have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And in yellow at the very bottom, it's really hard to see, we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to be representing numbers 0 to 10 with those words, pictures, and symbols. And so if I ask for a number, where you can give me the numeral form of it, or the word, you can give me the word form of it, or a picture, well, I have stars right here for us. But let's keep going. So let's go ahead and go through our process, how we go about generating those quantities, okay? First, we're going to identify the quantity or amount. Second, we're going to identify the numeral or the number. Third, we're going to identify and match to a picture. And then fourth, we're going to identify and match to the word. And then fifth, we're going to complete any missing information that we may not have already put. Let's go ahead and do this together. I want you to watch as I go about. Don't do any work just yet. So if I'm going to identify and generate the quantity 5, well, there's my numeral 5. I can match it to the table. The word to it is right next to it, 5 in purple. And then I can draw a picture of it. I can put 5 stars, or draw 5 happy faces, or 5 dots. Anything I want. That's all we're going to be doing. Now let me go ahead and do one more on my own, and you just watch me, class. If I'm going to identify and generate a quantity for 7, well, my numeral is 7, and I can match the table. Right there in red it is. The word form of it, 7. And in the picture, got it right. I can draw 7 stars, 7 happy faces, 7 hearts, anything like that. Now we're going to do one together. I'm going to give you the numeral 8, and I want you to find the numeral, the word, and the picture of it. Write those down in your workbook, your journal, I'm sorry. When you're ready, unpause this video and let's see if you got it correct. So do that now. All right, let's check and see if you got them correct. The numeral, of course, is 8 right there in blue. The word, 8 right there in blue next to it. And in the picture, I'm going to draw out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 objects or something. How'd you do? We're going to do one more together, okay? The numeral 9, the number 9. Go ahead and finish the table, the numeral, the word, and the picture. Unpause the video when you're ready for the check. Ready for us to check it. Let's check together, okay? So the numeral is 9 in green. We're going to match it to the word right next to it to the right. N-I-N-E, number 9. And in the picture, I can copy those 9 stars or draw a picture of 9 something. Awesome job, class. Let's keep going for some more of your own. On pages 73 and 75, I want you to cut out the numbers, cut out the words, and then match them to the fingers that are up on the page 75. Do those together at home. Now, if you don't have pencils, if you don't have scissors or glue at home, you can at top of each of those hands and fingers write the number 7, 10, 1, 0, and write the word below 4, 10, 6. You can do this at home. Take a picture and upload it to our Google Classroom. Some more work on your own if you need to. I want you to do exactly what we just did, but with the numerals 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Show me those, represent those with words, pictures, and the numbers in numeral form. Take a picture of your work, and then upload to Google Classroom. As always, we have one last thing. I want you to think about, well, how can you represent numbers 1 to 10 using words, symbols, and pictures? See if you can tell somebody at home how you can do that. If you can, high five. Until next time, goodbye, class.